As RAF Lakenheath prepares to receive F-35s this month, we thought you'd like to know a little more about them. The Lockheed Martin F-35A Lightning II is the culmination of 3 decades of engineering put into one aircraft. This is why it now sits at the top of the food chain as the most advanced 5th-generation fighter ever built, boasting a top speed of Mach 1.6 and a range of 1,350 miles on internal fuel stores. It's not only fast, but far-reaching. It can carry 9 tons of munitions as high as 50,000 feet and is nearly undetectable by radar, making it one of the most survivable aircraft in a contested airspace. And it allows the pilot 360 degrees of situational awareness with sensors covering its surface, granting them the ability to quite literally see through the plane. It was also designed to put maintainers first, with a built-in system that can not only diagnose its own issues, but order the parts required to fix them. This lets it redefine readiness, because it wasn't made to help us share the skies. It was made so we could own them.
This is the F-35C. It's the Navy's variant of the Joint Strike Fighter. Single-engine fighter, 5th-gen aircraft. Brings all the stealth technology to the fight. It's a kick-ass airplane. Its purpose is to go into an environment that is harder to access for enemy threats. It's got touchscreens in the jet. Everything's projected in front of your face. Single engine. We have to train at contingencies that if that engine were to quit, we basically have to be able to dead stick the aircraft into a landing field. There's probably only about 30 pilots in the Navy right now that actually fly the F-35C. It's a great opportunity to get in on the ground floor.
You start out in primary, so you go through flight school. Flight school takes about 2 years. You fly first trainer jet.
After I got my wings there, I went to BFA 106 to learn how to fly the Super Hornet. And then after that, I began to learn how to fly the F-35C.
A lot of people are maybe deterred from the idea that it's a path that is unachievable, but it's more achievable than you think.